I'm in the Punjab region of Pakistan right now in summer in the middle of mango season. So how can I not make a mango lassi? Lassi is a traditional yogurt-based drink in the subcontinent. Some make it salty and others make it sweet with flavors like mango. It's super refreshing and just what I need to beat this heat. Mango lassi is so easy to make. The first step is to puree your mangoes. For one large serving, I'm slicing up 2 mangoes. Scoop out the juicy flesh into a blender or food processor. Now I'm going to puree the mango. You want to come and have a look at this. Smells delicious. Now I'm going to add some Greek yogurt to the pureed mangoes. I'm putting in 250 grams. You can also use plain yogurt, but I prefer Greek style because it's creamier. And a squeeze of lemon. Depending on how sweet your mangoes are, just keep adding sugar and tasting it until you get the right sweetness. Just a spoonful of sugar is all I need. And blend again. I'm going to add some ice into this just to make it a bit cooler and more refreshing. Oh my God, that is so good. And that's my bangin mango lassi.